thank you again so much for joining me. If it's your first time, make some noise. You already know what time it is. Today I'm here to introduce my baby that I just birthed, and that is my cosmetics line, faithfulbeauty.com. So we are planning on being a full range cosmetic line that includes skincare, complexion, blushes, brows, everything. But as a easy one woman show, as a baby black owned business, we are starting off with our we're starting off with our lip gloss collection. Excuse me, I did just draw a blank. Do not judge me. There's a lot of stuff going on back here. You guys don't even want to see this madness back here. But I just wanted to hop on and just introduce and tell you a little bit about faithfulbeauty.com, or Faithful Beauty Cosmetics, shall I say. So if you don't know, I am definitely a woman of God, a pure Christian, and Faithful Beauty Cosmetics is a faith-based cosmetic company. We launched on August 15th of 2020, and really this is something that has been it's been building in me for years, and I'm talking about years. And so this is definitely not anything that was just a fly-by-night thing that just came about. But honestly, the Lord just put it on my heart to go ahead, and this was my time, and that's what he put on my heart. And when I tell you that everything just kind of started to fall into place, it was absolutely mind-blowing. Literally, he gave me this vision. He told me how he wanted me to do it, and that's exactly how I did it. Because when I was going through the process and brainstorming and thinking about how I was going to start this cosmetic line, my brain was totally someplace else. I was like, oh, I'm going to start with lashes, and then I'll do lipsticks. And he was like, that's not the direction that I want you to go in. And thus, Faithful Beauty Cosmetics was born. He gave me this vision, and basically the entire cosmetic line is really about being bold, being strong, being faithful, and most of all, just being you. Find the beauty inside, because we all know that society will have us thinking that beauty is all about the outside. It's the external, it's the makeup, it's the lashes, and it's really not. Faithful Beauty is really about helping women find their beauty on the inside, which is where your beauty is birthed, and then allowing people to see that same beauty on the outside with just a little bit of, like, you know, a little bit of gloss here and there, get the lip gloss popping. But that's really what Faithful Beauty is about. It's really about helping women rediscover who they are through cosmetics. If you don't already know, I am a makeup artist. I've been a makeup artist for about 10 years now. And so this was just kind of a natural progression of where my career was going. And I'm so happy and I'm so honored that the Lord saw fit to give me this job to do. And so y'all, when I tell y'all I'm out in the field, I'm working. Your girl is working, okay? It is a lot of work behind the scenes. This place looks absolutely crazy. It's just pure madness. Again, I am a one-woman show. I purchase all of my inventory on my own. I purchase all of my ingredients all of my own. I literally hand make every single gloss that you see on the website. I do it all. I don't have any help. And you know, I have just been thanking God that I've been able to really enjoyed this process. There was a minute when I had started to kind of get caught up in the logistics and the business side of it, which you have to do. And then again, I had a revelation basically. He said, you know what, enjoy this process, because this is the time that you're going to miss once this cosmetic line actually grows. And so here I am, taking a minute just to reflect and give thanks. And really, all of this is not me. It's him. It's definitely not me. It's him. So this video is really just to, number one, introduce my new baby, Faithful Beauty Cosmetics, and number two, just to give honor and praise to the big man upstairs, because without him, this would not be possible. So if you have not already, please go check out our Instagram, which is Faithful BE_YOU_TY, or you can check out the website at faithfulbeauty.com. And if you feel like, checking out your girl a little bit, definitely go check me out on Instagram as well. And my personal and makeup artist page is Focus on Me Beauty, all one word, no underscores. And that is all, folks. You will see over here on the screen someplace where the website will be, as well as my Instagram. But again, this is going to be a really quick video. Just wanted to hop on just to say thank you for everyone who has already purchased. Let me tell y'all, I appreciate that so much. Just honestly, the love and support that I've been getting since we launched, yeah, it's so overwhelming. I'm not even gonna get emotional because as I think about it, I immediately just want to cry, because the outpouring of support has really just been absolutely amazing, and my heart is so full, and I am just so blessed and honored. And I just want to say thank you again to everyone that has supported me. If you have not already made a purchase, please check out the website faithfulbeauty.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.